Welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to download Bendigo Bank application using your Android phone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to get the Bendigo Bank application downloaded on your Android phone, then the process is quite easy. Open up your Play Store and also make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Into the search box, type in Bendigo Bank and search. Once you find this application that says Bendigo Bank from Bendigo and Adelaide Bank Limited, tap on the install button to begin your downloading process. Bendigo and Adelaide Bank is an Australian financial institution operating primarily in retail banking. The bank delivers retail banking products and services to its customers via a national network of almost 500 branches and agencies. Once the application is downloaded, you'll be able to see an open button popping up in the display. Tap it on to launch the app open, and that's how you can easily get the Bendigo mobile banking application downloaded on your Android phone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.